Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most beautiful city in Africa. Of course, it's no other than Lagos, Las Giddy, and some call it Iko Ile. Hola, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Know Your Neighbor with Sarah. And hey, today I want you to come along with me all the way to Victoria Island in Lagos, Nigeria. And hey, why do you need to come along with me? Because I want to do a quick update on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road project. Of course, the starting point is in VI. And hey, I want to go see what's happening there. What are they doing currently in, of course, October 2024. From my last update to now, let's see, have they even made progress? Or maybe the project is just on a standstill. Well, I wouldn't know, you wouldn't know, but when you stick around and watch this video to the very end, I guess we will both what? We will both know what is going on currently on the page. And you know how we roll, right? You hop on the flight with me. Of course, your favorite pilot, goodness man, is here. And I promise you, just as always, I'm going to have a smooth ride with you guys. So, hey, I'm going to see you guys on the flight. Come on, hop on now. Get ready to fasten your seatbelt. And what? Let's go. Have some sweat time checking out the update that we have with the project Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project. So I'm going to see you guys at the end of this video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. I am delighted to have you guys here. All right, this is Kuramo Beach Residence. Of course, is a popular landmark where this Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project started at the Amadou Bello Way in Victoria Island. Now, they started this project in March 2024. And hey, I'm doing this recording first week in October 2024. So this is an update, like I said earlier. Look at what is currently on site. I mean, they've done this part. They started with the sand filling initially. And from what you can see right now, you see that they've done this double lane. They have the traffic lights. Sorry, I beg your pardon. The street lights installed, and they are still working on this right-hand side of my. And hey, we're going to be going all the way to as far as I can get, because we do not know to what extent this job have been done. Now, for those of you who do not know anything about this project, you don't know about this area, my right-hand side is also where they have the Atlantic as well. And of course, you can see the iTech people. Yes, iTech is the people who are in charge of this construction. And you see where they have their camp right there, and then where they're working from. Okay, so like I said, we're just going to go and continue to see what they have done. Like I said earlier, if they have abandoned the project or they're still working on it. While it's exciting to see that they've not abandoned it, they are still really working. Now, the last time I showed you guys, up until this point, has not been taught, but and that's where they were only really working on this and filling, right? They have tarred the road, is a double lane, like what you can see, and they've done major sand filling up until this point, even further down. As I'm looking at it, you see their trucks working back to back non-stop. I even had to visit this place on a Sunday, and I see that they even work on some Sundays. That's interesting to know. Anyways, let's keep going. Seriously, guys, see the sand filling that I've done. The amount of sand filling they have done here is actually massive. And of course, you see that they're still tarring this part. See this double lane, right? They're still working on it, tying some portion, just like we can see. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys a clearer part of it, of the road that is currently being tarred. You see that this portion that I am right now, they just started the tarring of that road, and you see this car moving. It is now motorable to a certain extent. Okay, this used to be where we have the landmark beach, right? You see, yeah, yeah, this is landmark beach, the former landmark beach. Of course, they still have the other facilities there. It's just that they've taken away the beach away from them, unfortunately. Can you guys see? Yeah, that used to be the beautiful landmark beach. Anyways, you see that the tiling is still ongoing of this two lane, right? And they've filled this other part by my round high side, right? So I'm going to follow you through to see if I can connect it to Oniro at this time. However, ladies and gentlemen, I am not sure because they've done so many diversion and not sure of the route I can go and then get you guys a very, very clear footage. Meanwhile, we always have turbulence when we are flying. Don't worry, there's no really reason to panic. By the way, now your pilot is here and she got you. Anyways, this is the point that they have done the tiling of the road too. At the time when I'm recording this, you see, let me pan down. You guys see? Can you guys see? Say up until where this truck is. I'm sure when I come back, they would have passed this particular part. Now, pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. There are still some feeling further more. So I noticed that the road is going to be diverting from this point, but there are also some feeling further down. So the road is diverting by my right. Now, this is where the confusion is. Unfortunately, I can't drive through, so I really cannot see. But they are diverting now. Can you guys see where they're diverting? They're diverting. You see, I'm trying to pan down, but I have a bit of interference. But anyways, let's see. You see where that yellow talk is coming from. They're diverting the road. That's where the road diverts all the way down to connect to Oniru. Okay, so now you obviously can drive there. Anyways, like I said earlier, I'm a bit confused. So due to interference, I need to take a reverse shot to show you guys there. You see the diversion I was going to show you earlier. So this is a reverse shot towards where I was showing you guys about the diversion. So this is it. There's some filling this portion, and I do not know why exactly this portion is being sand-filled and what they want to do with this portion that is being currently sand-filled. But it looks like the road is not going to follow this particular footage you guys are looking at, but it's going to go, the drive-through is going to go through the diversion. But I just wanted to, pay attention to this sand-filling and just show you guys. I mean, look at this. I'm doing a reverse shot now to show you guys the sand-filled portion backward. Okay, I don't know why they filled it to this particular portion while they're also working on the diversion they did. Okay, but I just wanted to show you guys this portion that they are currently filling, because I'm wondering what are they trying to do here. What's the purpose of this diversion and this particular filled portion? Is it that they're going to have, I don't know, I really do not know what they intend to do with this, because it's kind of confusing for me that I'm flying a drone and then they have these divert routes that I can take and all of that. Anyways, let's go back to the portion where the road continues. Okay. So yes, I've shown you guys this portion, right? Where they have this some field. I mean, look at this now. Look at all of this portion that they have done some filling that is not looking like is the part of the road, right? Can you guys see? Right? Can you guys see? I just wanted to pan and just show you guys this some field portion. And okay, guys, so I'm back to this point. Okay, sorry I couldn't show you guys where he actually connected. I had a whole lot of interferences while doing that. I mean, this is a very built up neighborhood, but anyways, you see where it connected, right? Where earlier when I was talking about how they connected it, and I don't know why they were doing that some filling of the other part. But anyway, this is where the road is connecting all the way to Oniru. You can see this, okay? It's not very motorable, so I couldn't really do a smooth drive through. Well, the exciting thing about this is that they are working non-stop, and like we have promised, we're going to stay on top of this project and always bring you guys an update. So, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I need to disembark this flight. Thank you for doing this with your favorite pilot. Keep watching to the end, though. Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is what I can show you guys so far in terms of the overview of this Lucky Coastal project that is currently ongoing. Now, I want to quickly add that I'm a bit confused as to what they're doing at the moment. Now, why do I say so? My last update, I showed you guys this part, okay? This part that has connected up to Jakonde, as it's almost up to Jakonde. it passes through Bloom Towers. Okay. Now, when I showed you guys this one that I did the drone footage all the way from in front of landmark Oniru Bridge, and it goes all the way to where we have Bloom Towers. Now, I realized that we can no longer drive. So let me show you guys. You see, by my right here, is you coming in from VI. In fact, if you drive from Adela or Deku, usually you're going to pass through the Landmark Beach, Landmark Event Center, and connect to where I'm standing right now. And then you can decide to go all the way into Oniru through where we have the Bloom Towers as is, or you go into the other Oniru side to connect the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. But right now, we see this work going on, but they have blocked that. You no longer can drive from the Landmark Event Center to this point. Okay? In fact, I can go to Landmark Event Center from this point because they have started a road construction from there, and then it's going all the way to where we have Bloom Towers, and I'm sure this is going to be connecting Jakonde. Now, I said I'm sure. I am also not sure because from what I've shown you guys is on this other side. Okay, they've sandfilled to that point that you see me showing you guys is not this part where I am standing right now. They have sandfilled this part. Okay, the other side of this building, right, is where I showed you the drone got to initially, right, when I was doing the voiceover, right? But they also have this. So this is what we're going to do anyway. I'm going to keep up with the update, okay? So at the point where we see how they connect the two, it will then make sense. But for now, this is what I got for you guys. So just stay tuned. That's why it's important. I keep giving you guys the update, and I'm very realistic as much as I can, okay? I'm not going to come here and tell you guys some sort of mumbo jumbo. I'm not part of the project. Most of the information we have is online, so I don't want to be quoted wrong, but I just want to show you guys what is always happening and keep updating you guys so that you guys stay updated on it as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for doing this with me today. Now, this is what you need to do for me. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends and family, especially my Nigerians in diaspora. You need your friends and family to stay on top of this project, know what's happening in this beautiful part of Lagos. Remember that the road construction commences from here, and then of course it's going to go all the way to Calabar, which we are of course excited about it. All right, thank you so much for doing this once again with us on our Know Your Neighborhood series. Now, until next time when I come your way, my name of course remains Goodness Usman, the queen of landlord makers. Don't forget, I'm here to help you, yes, you and yours, become a proud landlord, landlady, and of course, landowner in prestige locations like VI here, yes, or any other place you want to buy a property or a land, or maybe you're not interested in Lagos right now, you're looking inwardly, but of course, because some get offers for you. If Ibadan is not your direction, maybe Abuja, we got you covered as well. All you need to do right now is to dial the number scrolling on your screen, have a conversation with us. Consultation is free, I always say, and then we can get you started on the investment that suits you perfectly. Thank you once again, and I'll see you guys when you give me a call. Please ensure that you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you, oh, double.